Hi YouTubers, today I'm demonstrating a Kodak Carousel SAV 1010 slide projector. As you can hear, it's already on. It's got a wired remote control, and if you can see that lens, that control adjusts the zoom in and out, and the top two buttons advance the slides when they're loaded in the carousel, and those two buttons, they're just on the unit for the, if you don't have the remote control, and that's the remote control DIN plug. That's the on-off switch at the back, and the lens is a 75 to 100 zoom. Doesn't sound much, but it's perfectly adequate. I think that's the focus, but not sure. It comes with a plastic top for the carousel, and it just unclips in the middle, which is a bit difficult to do with one hand. There we go. And there's a light inside the back of the lens. I haven't got it showing on a screen, but there's not really any need. It's only to show that it works well. And that's just about all really. Bye for now.